don't think they're ready for this one. Coming at you with another one. Bang.
My chopper be from overseas, my green it be from overseas. That Gucci, Louis, Robin jeans, all my shit from overseas. My bitch, yeah, she from overseas. My wood, that bitch from overseas. Ain't never been a rat, but I always been about my cheese. My chopper be from overseas, my green it be from overseas. That Gucci, Louis, Robin jeans, all my shit from overseas. My bitch, yeah, she from overseas. My wood, that bitch from overseas. Ain't never been a rat, but I always been about my cheese. Call me Young Nacho, cause I'm rolling in that cheddar. All my shit from across the water, bet I'm on another level. All you niggas wanna test me, just prepare for me to fail. Stay flyer than the Pelican. It don't matter what's the weather. Rambo with that chopper, AK Max, they come from Russia. Cowabunga, Ninja Turtle, niggas play with me, I hurt. No freestyling on this verse. Lyrical artist, yes I'm working. Geeking on them like I'm Earth. Can't ride my wave, it might just murky. Yeah, I'm dumb and not. Falling with them comers now. Your bitch getting on your nerve, just tell her fuck with me, I calm her down. Nigga, I ain't shit, I'm with this shit. No Frito Lay, I'm stacking chill. Falling like I'm Rondo, past the brick, another assist. I'm not from Tokyo, but I see you niggas catch my drift. I swag like a mixtape getting released on the app. That pimp, I'm sorry that I took your bitch and I did this shit so swift, but you can have her back cause I don't need her. I'm out here trying to get rich. My chopper be from overseas, my green it be from overseas. That Gucci, Louis, Robin jeans, all my shit from overseas. My bitch, yeah, she from overseas. My wood, that bitch from overseas. Ain't never been a rat, but I always been about my cheese. My chopper be from overseas, my green it be from overseas. That Gucci, Louis, Robin jeans, all my shit from overseas. My bitch, yeah, she from overseas. My wood, that bitch from overseas. Ain't never been a rat, but I always been about my cheese. No Pizza Hut, but we deliver, just place your order. Them packs coming from everywhere, even from across the water. I cross the line so much, they know me right at the border. I beat the pussy so bad, they call me Oscar De La Hoya. Smoking on that loud, that took me through another portal. Not a robot, but got me a cup of some expensive oil. Spitting flames all on this beat, like I was set to broil. And my bitches love me so much, cause they be getting spoiled. See, you don't really know nothing about this young fly, nigga. Not with Taylor Gang, but stay getting high, nigga. Ballin' like I'm Jordan with 6 rings, I got 6 figures. Ain't no road rest, I call Tommy, I guess he'll figure. What you gon' do is you gon' choke us too, young nigga. Tell the truth, and I'm not with all that beef shit. Don't matter if you red or blue, I'm still gon' let it loose. Yeah, bang, he coming through. My life in danger, nigga, then yours in danger too. Rolling like I'm on the monkey, swag extreme, but it ain't coming. By that green, then I come run. I'm overseas, you niggas bumming, block burning, road running. Ain't no sleep, the band's coming. Drop the top on the porch, feeling like I'm on a horse.